Have you ever experienced yung what some of us as artists call the flow? Where you're in that moment na
Yes.
nakakalimutan mong kumain. You
Yes.
forget to
Yes.
go to the toilet.
Yes. Because you like to finish it. You
Mm.
know, all the juices are there,
Yeah.
and you don't want to stop it because you're scared it might not continue.
The inspiration kasi might evaporate.
Yes.
After that, tatamarin ka na.
No more.
You keep saying to yourself, oh, I'll continue it
Yeah,
later. And then,
And then you start thinking of the end, the big end, you know what it is? Netflix.
oh yes. How true. Netflix is the bane of serious artists. Kasi pag nag-binge watch ka, wala.
Patay na.
Mm.
Lalo na pag episode series, patay na.